Welcome, beautiful soul. This is your sacred space, a place where you can return home to your body, your breath, and your womb. This meditation is a gentle invitation to reconnect, restore, and heal the sacred center of your divine feminine energy, your womb space. You don't need to force anything. You are here to listen, to feel, to allow, to be held in the energy of love, forgiveness, and transformation. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale, letting go of all tension, letting your body soften. Allow your body to settle. Feel the surface beneath you, fully supported, fully safe. Bring awareness to the crown of your head. Invite a warm wave of relaxation to flow down over your face, easing your jaw, softening your neck and shoulders. Feel the relaxation move into your chest, down your arms, into your fingertips. Let it travel into your belly, softening your abdomen, soothing your womb space. Breathe gently into this area, as if your breath could touch your womb with love. Let the energy move down through your hips, your thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet, and into the earth. With each breath, you become more grounded, more present, more open. Now gently bring your awareness to the space just below your navel, your sacred womb space. Whether you have a physical womb or not, this space holds your feminine creative energy, your intuition, your power, and your ancestral wisdom. Place your hands over this area. Feel the warmth of your palms and breathe. Inhale. Feel life energy flowing into your womb. Exhale. Release anything that doesn't serve your highest self. Imagine a soft golden light glowing in your womb. It pulses gently, like a sacred heartbeat, alive, conscious, holy. You are safe here. You are whole. You are worthy of healing. Now, imagine yourself standing in a beautiful garden. This garden is lush, vibrant, and alive, a mirror of your sacred feminine energy. In the center of this garden, there is a pool of radiant pink and golden light. This is the womb of the earth, a place where you are invited to release, cleanse, and renew. Step into this light. Feel it surround your entire body. Let it enter your womb space, soothing any pain, melting away old memories, releasing trauma, shame, guilt, or grief. With each breath, you allow more light in, and with each exhale, you release what no longer belongs to you. Let the earth take it all. She knows how to transform it into wisdom, strength, and beauty. You are safe. You are held. You are loved. Allow yourself to feel the emotions that arise. There is no right or wrong. There is only truth and healing and love. Now, I invite you to repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. Let them vibrate through your womb space. I honor the sacred power of my womb. I am connected to the wisdom of all the women who came before me. I release all pain, trauma, and shame held in my womb. My womb is a portal of creation, intuition, and divine love. I forgive myself and others. I choose freedom. I am a vessel of light. I am whole. I am healed. Breathe deeply and let these words settle into your being. let's repeat these affirmations again. Let these affirmations be true for you right now, in this moment. I honor the sacred power of my womb. I am connected to the wisdom of all the women who came before me. I release all pain, trauma, and shame held in my womb. My womb is a portal of creation, intuition, and divine love. I forgive myself and others. I choose freedom. I am a vessel of light. I am whole. I am healed. Now imagine the moon shining above you. She is full and luminous, a symbol of your divine feminine power. Feel her light pouring into you, cleansing, blessing, activating. Let her energy awaken your intuition, your sensuality, your softness and strength. Visualize your womb glowing with vibrant pink, red, and gold light, a swirling vortex of creation and life. You are reclaiming this space, not just for yourself, but for your mother, your grandmothers, your ancestors, and for every daughter yet to come. This is your sacred rebirth, your divine remembrance. Now, place your awareness deep within your womb space once more, and imagine a thread of light extending from your womb down through the earth, connecting you to the wombs of your mother, your grandmother, and all the women in your lineage. See this thread weave through time, carrying both pain and power, both trauma and wisdom. And now, with love in your heart, offer healing to this sacred lineage. Say silently or aloud, I honor the women who came before me. I acknowledge their pain, their silence, their strength. I release what I no longer need to carry. The cycle ends with me. I reclaim my womb as a space of light, love, and creation. Now visualize a gentle, rose gold light pouring from your womb, flowing backward through time, bathing your ancestors in love, in peace, in forgiveness. You are not just healing for yourself, you are healing for generations past and generations to come. Allow the light to settle. Let the thread between wombs become a channel of love, balanced, clear, whole. Rest here for a few more breaths. You are the sacred bridge, the living altar, the healed womb of your lineage. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room, to the sounds around you, to the feeling of your body, to the breath. Place both hands over your heart. Feel the connection between your womb and your heart, two sacred centers of divine feminine energy. Take a deep breath in and exhale with gratitude. Thank yourself for showing up, for trusting your healing journey, for reclaiming your power. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carrying this light, this connection, and this love with you. You are radiant. You are powerful. You are sacred.